7:24 p.m. on August the 10th, Monday. I just spoke to a neighbor. I was telling him time to move that horse. He's already cleaned it all, this grass here. Time to move him that way. He said he'll do it in the morning. It's too late now. And then this neighbor decided to put his boat so that way we won't go across. There's just the other boat over there. No, but I was telling the neighbor, move the horse because he's already ate all of this. Time for a greener pasture. So he do that in the morning. Pretty awkward for me holding my cell phone in my hand. I don't like walking with a cell phone like this. I prefer using the gimbal. I just walk in and account everybody's here. There's the Brahma, Blanca. There's the that's supposed to be Leticia. She likes sleeping in the side closer to the to get the air. And that's the other one. That's the other cinnamon queen. It's a Brahma. That one doesn't have a name. Only Leticia there on the left hand side. Let me see if I can brighten this up. No, let's see. There you go. They love their 2x4. I don't know how much interference that wind is gonna cause. And then you got that broody hen. That one there is a speckled Sussex, and this one is a Colombian Wyandotte. That's the biggest of them all, and they're all the same age. You got a Dominicker, and I forgot the breed of that black one. They'll be turning 3 months. July to August, September to August. Yeah, they'll be turning 3 months in 2 days.